If you're feeling overwhelmed, they actually have a lot of resources on campus. So, like your career or success coaches, and then you have the counseling center, which is completely free. If you want to go talk to someone, they're there to help.
UT has an amazing counseling center that's free for students to use, which I really appreciate a lot because it has helped me out so many times.
So I've actually done both UT Counseling Center and external counseling when I was in co-op. Right now I'm back at the UT Counseling Center and I was able to find a good fit.
A lot of the professors are willing to help, whether it's going to office hours, going after class, before class. So especially if I'm struggling in that class, they're like, okay, what's going on? How can I help you? And then we just kind of figure out a plan on the best course of action.
Looking ahead to my schedule, I had 3 assignments due on the same day that were all relatively high stress, high prep required. So I talked to my professor and I was like, hey, this is what's going on. Would you mind giving me an extra 3 days to get this assignment turned in? And since I asked him 2 weeks in advance instead of the day before the assignment was due, that really helped me and he was willing to work with me so that I could get everything turned in on time.
Being willing to talk to people about the struggles that I go through, I think is probably one of the hardest things that a person can do, because a lot of the times that forces you to confront the problems you're going through. And if you don't feel comfortable going to your fellow peers, I mean, you have success coaches for a reason. You have professors for a reason. You have RAs for a reason. Your RAs are literally in the same position, but probably a year ahead of you. So they're also really good people to turn to because they've almost been through the thick of it and they've made it out on the other side.